Hi everyone. Today we will look and learn basic of Microsoft Word. We can simply type, edit, print and share the document easily. Here what we will learn today. How we can type, edit, do the paragraph, do the numbering, line spacing, insert, shape, pictures, online pictures and text box, do the grammar and then save, print and share the file. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's start it. First, we need to open the Word. Blank document, and now we need to type the document. We put back the example topic that we want. Here, this is the sample of information that we will learn today. First time, we need to learn how to edit the heading. Here, we just need highlight, bold, italic, underline, change the font style, the font size, and the font color. You also can change the heading from here, the heading tab, choose which one, or you can choose from design here. Then now we will go to the next, how to style the paragraph. First, we need to copy all this paragraph, make it to 3 paragraphs. Now we learn how to align the paragraph. Simply highlight and choose the alignment you want: left, center, right, justify. Also, you can align the paragraph by using the ruler. If you choose here, it will align the whole document. But if you choose ruler this, it will only align the selected, highlighted paragraph. Then you can do the paragraph spacing, highlight, right click, paragraph and choose double, paragraph 1.5 or single. Here we will do now the numbering. First, we highlight the file that you want to do the numbering. Example here. Example, we want to numbering this. Simply go to bullet or the numbering style, and you can choose the numbering format that you want. After that, you can do more interactive document by insert, shape. Here, let's take one of it. Okay, here, oval. Just simply put here. You can shape the field here or just here. Simply put here. We put this one and then You can style it with font or image, and then edit it, or you also can insert pictures from your PC. And the best part is you can insert from online pictures in Windows. Here I choose Apple. Click this one, insert. Voila! You can edit it, and you can insert text box, edit it to where you want, change the style, and then format, ta-da! After this, if you want to change the position, you can do it. If your document is completed, the final is you change the grammar. See, the red highlighted mean typing error. Simply highlight, right click and change the correct word, or simply F7, change which word that you want. After that, we can save the file. Go to File, Save As, the location you want to save, and the file name and file Word document or Word 97, and then save. After you save it, you can print the file, print, select the printer and the setting, and also you can share this file to anybody. Just click share button and save to the cloud or anywhere you want. Okay, that is today. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.